We just wrapped up this beautiful 6-speaker build for a customer that we've been talking to for about 3 years, which I have no problem with. Call with any questions that you have. We'll answer whatever we can, and when you're ready for it, we'll get you set up. But we did a beautiful 6-speaker build that will be turning into an 8-speaker build soon. This bike came in for our typical dual amp small 8s inside the bags, and this is what happens. Customer's buddy came with him as well. They're good friends. They live close to each other. And when his buddy was getting bigger 8s, he's like, hey man, I want to do the same thing. So I said, okay, let's do it. So that's what we did here. Let me flip you around, show you all the equipment. We'll listen to it and let him get on the road because it is cold. We have to get ready to head back home. So let's show you what's going on. This beautiful bike got a Forever Ad Prior Performance LP6 headlight upgrade. We were going with the dual amps in the fairing, and then we changed it up. So there's 1 amp here, a DSP there, because the second amplifier is in the Tour Pack. And I have to say that Bill and I killed it on this build because, bam, look at that 1601 up against the back wall, uses 3 of the OEM bolts, custom RCAs, 4-gauge power and ground, run all the way up to the distribution of the front amp, and it is solid, clean, absolutely love it. So for normal speakers, Cicada compression horns in the fairing, CXXs in the Tour Pack, that's their carbon fiber coaxes, and he is getting lids. We're going to do the Bama sealed backs in the lids, but bam, CMB 8s with a port. Love it. Right through the bag, nice and neat, braced, 3-inch port by about 9 inches long. This thing gets down. So it's a little bit of an audio demo so that way the customer can get up out of here and get back home. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone. Ain't no sunshine, she's gone.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks.
All right, so we got the customer here picking up his beautiful bike he entrusted with us all week. Him and I have been talking for a while now, which, like I told you before, I absolutely do not mind. I love it because the questions he asks gets me thinking. It's us stewing on something. We had a couple different revisions on this. So, I mean, overall, what were your thoughts on the process of actually getting it up here? And then, like, overall, what do you think?
Overall, I tell you, like he said, for at least 3 years, I've been constantly going back and forth, deciding whether I was going to do it, and he never pushed me to it. And I cannot be happy enough to say, this is amazing. This is an amazing sound. Shout out to Ride and Fish as well, because it was him that actually got me the motorcycle, the bars, everything he's got. I got copying after him. So when I heard his audio system and the other guy, Spicy Candy, whatever the other bike is,
Black Candy.
Yep. I just had to pull the trigger. So again, he came, met me halfway, did a phenomenal job. And you guys, if you got an Indian, you got to check them out.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate it as
Appreciate you,
always, man. We're gonna let him get going. As you can see, we're all in hoodies. I've got the Hoonies hoodie on because I didn't bring one of my hoodies. Yeah, I need one of those hats because I'm bald too. So, all right, we're gonna let him get on the road. And again, I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio. If you're looking for the best aftermarket audio solutions for your Indians, let us know.